You can make $1 million using ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an amazing AI text-to-essay article creator that works by just typing in a subject with the way you want the work to appear, in whatever details and in just a few seconds. ChatGPT will display an in-depth report on the requested subject. Now you can take that report and use it for whatever purpose. Start a service company, write a self-help book, start a novel, get ideas for a project, or write an article on any topic, just to mention a few of the thousands of ideas you can use. And in any style, just tell it the style. And I don't want to make things more complicated, but it will write just about anything you desire. Design a computer program or app for your phone, answer any question, technical or otherwise, and even talk to you as if it was a real human. You'll never have to be lonely. And I'm not kidding. If you don't believe me, just log into ChatGPT at openai.com and see for yourself. I had a 10-minute debate with the AI guy about UFOs. Though I didn't agree with some of the logic, I was able to convince it that my opinion may be correct. If you didn't know my opinion on the UFO UAP subject, well, it's that our government is hiding the truth. I argued my theories to ChatGPT and did get the AI guy to partially agree with my logic. Money-making ideas for ChatGPT. Well, YouTube is now teeming with how-to articles using ChatGPT to make money, maybe thousands a month. Titles include how to make money with ChatGPT, 4 genius ways to make money with ChatGPT, using ChatGPT-3 to make YouTube videos in minutes. ChatGPT generates $783.99 plus per day. How to use ChatGPT to become a millionaire. Make a killing using AI. I just made that up. And the list and the ideas are endless. Designers and computer professionals I call geeks will say you can use ChatGPT to start a profitable business on the internet, like provide copywriting services for other companies or write papers you can sell online. For a product copywriting service company, you can charge an hourly rate or a flat rate to complete the project. ChatGPT could do the whole project, or you can modify or improve parts of what they offer to create your own take on the work. It could write skilled and informative information in seconds that would otherwise take a professional copywriter hours or even days to complete the task. Just enter the subject with specific directions and then sit back and wait for it to populate your display screen and save to a file. And that's just 2 of the thousands of things you can create with ChatGPT. Intellectual property considerations. All this AI capability sounds great, right? It can be your assistant or your business partner who helps you create, and you won't have to split the commissions. It's your robot partner that can do most of the creating for you. But wait, some things here appear to be too good to be true. I mean, if you think about it, where is the AI guy getting his facts? Oh, I think I know. From the internet. Oh no. Could the AI-generated work be part of someone's copyrighted article? I know about copyrights because I have published works, and they protect our intellectual property from being used by others without our permission. And on the same thread, recently I heard that some artists who have their work displayed online are worried that the AI art apps will be used to generate composite images without their permission. Of course, this may not be a problem directly related to ChatGPT text creations, but if the text generated use copyrighted articles, parts could be infringing on authors' copyrighted materials. And this must be a concern of some AI app designers, because I found an app that will check the ChatGPT text for possible plagiarism. I think anyone considering publishing AI-generated work should check with their personal attorney before using AI apps to help with their business or profession. Examples using ChatGPT. As an example of what ChatGPT can do, I asked it to generate a manuscript for a YouTube video outlining steps to create an audiobook from a written novel. Last year, I converted my science fiction novel, Casinos in Space, into an audiobook for my podcast on Anchor, which is a free podcast depository owned by Spotify. I worked on it for a whole year, first editing every chapter to make sure no errors appeared, and then used a text-to-speech program to record all 31 chapters. It wasn't easy because I found lots of errors, but I finished and it's online for all to hear. Now that I'm done, I want to create a video on how I converted my novel into an audiobook. So I first asked ChatGPT to give me an outline for the project, how to create an audiobook from a manuscript, and then asked details for each section. And as you can see, it did a very thorough job. But I didn't ask it to use text-to-speech because I wanted to see what ChatGPT suggested. It advised to practice reading the chapters and then record it. So you can see it did what I asked, but it didn't offer anything creative to save time. So my idea for creating an audiobook using text-to-speech, in this case, was more creative than the AI guy because I understand that it's difficult to read and record a complete novel. Maybe the next update to ChatGPT will make it more creative. But using ChatGPT could be a real time saver and a viable option. In my case, to be legally safe, I would want to make sure that none of the text it offers is another author's intellectual property. By the way, if you like what you see and hear, please subscribe. The button is in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. And if you like science fiction with a gambling theme, check out my free audiobook. The links are listed in the description. Thanks.